day and welcome to the South African lawn. Oh my word, the moment of truth has arrived today. We are drilling a borehole, guys. There's the truck. Okay, so they're busy putting this monster of a thing in here. So this thing apparently weighs millions of tons, and then we're gonna drill round about there. So I'm super excited and super nervous at the same time. Okay, righto, so we've got the rig set up here, hopefully in the right position here. Don't know how deep we're going to drill. Hopefully we get water, otherwise this is going to be an expensive expedition, 8 stoppy. But if we find water, that's going to be lekker. Okay, so this is the drill bit. That's how it looks. They're just aligning this one for us here. I know there's a ton of buttons that they're pushing, and they've got a spirit level here. So apparently this is the compressor, and they're pumping obviously air down to get the soil and whatever out that they're drilling loose, and they're running it on 24 bars, so that's quite a lot. I hope you can hear, so she's making a bit of a noise here, but I'm all stoked about what's happening here. So we 12 meters in, and I'm putting the steel casing in my hole here. So it's not supposed to cave in. Woohoo! Just hit water at about 32 or 33 meters. I was thinking more like 80 or 90 meters. Here we go, what? Woo! Okay, so it seems that we've got water, so the stress is busy relieving, because I thought I might spend all this money getting nothing. Okay, so I just want to take you through the setup here. Firstly, they bring this whole thing on that truck that's standing there. They park everything on there. Then they've got this rather massive compressor going on here. And then they've got the drill rig, which has got a shaft, obviously, that you put new shafts in that drills straight down that into the ground. So we found water already. Quite an impressive setup. So here they're putting in a new shaft. Just screws there in there at the bottom. Goes all the way to the top. Screws on there. Boomski, ready to drill. Oh, there's a little bit more dramatic stuff shooting out here. Full of mud. Woo! Okay. Coming out here. is quite warm. Okay, so I guess this is the moment of truth. They've waited a couple of minutes, 10-15 minutes for hopefully the water to fill the hole. Then they're going to blast it out and see how good the water flow is. Let's have a look. Okay, so there we've got the hole, and we're going to test now how deep the water is. They're perforating that pipe there, I don't even know if that's a word. Making holes in it so the water can seep through. We're getting somewhere here. Okay, so here we're sinking in casings, so if the hole caves in, obviously is sealed off. It's now that you realize how deep this hole actually is. 60 meters. Okay, so another great thing that they do is they give you these soil samples of every 2 meters that they drill. Every time they put a new shaft in, they give you these soil samples. And as you can see here, this is where it started, 2, 4, 6, 8, going up. Then from 20 meters onwards, coming back here to 40, 40 going to 60. I drilled 60 meters. Okay, so that's awesome because that shows you exactly what your soil is like below the surface. Dogs back in the yard. So they explained to me that's red soil there, which they reckon is pretty fertile. A lot of minerals in it because nothing extracts that deep. And then it started getting to a decomposing granite. And as you can see here, at roughly 34 meters, we hit water. And then water up to about 40 meters or 44 meters. And then it dried out a bit. And then we got water again at 55, and then they stopped drilling at 60. So I only paid to drill 60 meters. If it didn't have water by then, I would have probably drilled some more. Okay, so here we've got the hole of the borehole, the top, and they just knocked it closed, the casing closed. So now it's on to pump installation and so on, but I'll wait a couple of days for the water to settle in there, for the veins to run clean. All this information I gained from them. It's not my knowledge. Okay, so we didn't gain tons of water, but they say that the flow should be more than strong enough for residential use and well, for the garden and for a house. Luckily it's not commercial, so I don't need thousands and thousands of liters per day. Okay, but all in all, I'll call that a win. I think it's pretty fantastic. We've got running water here. Well, not running water yet to be used, but we've got water underground which we can pump out. So I'll call that a success. I think the worst thing would be drilling and not finding water, spending all that money, all that time, not really gaining anything. But this, I'll take it as a win. You know, the things we wouldn't do for our lawns, going through all this stress, effort just to get my lawn green and watered and hydrated. No more wetting agent needed. Hydrophobic soil I'll solve with water. Well, it's a hard day's work behind the back, and well, to be honest, I didn't do much, but I had to pay for it, so I'll call that work. I worked for the money. So the borehole is drilled. You know, so after a hard day, I always get quite emotional because it's so much hard work, and you just reap the success of hard handiwork. Okay, I didn't do much, but you know, they worked hard, and I looked and took pictures and videos. It's a hard day's work, which pays off. You know, that's the most important thing. Just reaping what you sow. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up the video here. I know there's no lawning in this one, but it's for the better of the lawn. So I really appreciate everyone watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you. Cheers for now. Bye bye. Okay, so here I am at the site of my borehole, and it's the next day. Obviously we're about to clean this mess that's going on here on my lawn, and I've just extracted with a fishing line and a glass my first cup of glass of water from this borehole. Oh, tastes like, I don't know, tastes like paint or turpentine, I don't know, but it's all good. I'm sure it will clear up soon. It's actually not too bad. Look at this, a little bit of sediment and things in here. It's brilliant.